Papanoorin natin ang tourism video ni Atisa Manalo representing Quezon Province for Miss Universe Philippines 2025. Parang Atisa talaga is the face of Quezon Province na with Joyang. Isa pa. Tagay. Talagang pwedeng-pwede siyang maging tourism video for Quezon Province and very catchy nung song. Sobrang vibrant nung lahat ng clips. Like, you wouldn't wanna miss any second of it. So, good job talaga doon sa videong ito. Ito yung mga klase ng video na kapag ka napanood mo, mapapaisip ka talagang pumunta sa lugar kasi alam mo yun, ang vibrant, ang festive, and then yung mga food pa nila, and also the cheer from the people. Sobrang happy nung representation ng Quezon Province in this video, and good job to Atisa Manalo.